Welcome! In this video, we present to you RoyalCondor Handy 7 liters. Its adaptability and range of use makes it a preferred tool for many users. Handy 7 liters is a compression sprayer equipped with a safety valve. It features several alert levels that indicate the pressure level in the container. The red level indicates the sprayer is fully pressurized and ready to use. Designed with the user in mind, the handle is integrated with the pump. Providing a strong grip, it perfectly adapts to the hand's curves for comfort. It can also be used to hold the lance when not in use. The lid serves also as a wide funnel, ample area to facilitate filling and reduce waste. And its 4-point base ensures stability. Its 7-liter container is made out of HDPE, which makes it resistant to impact and UV rays. Additionally, it features a translucent fill line for precise level measurement. This sprayer includes a high-performance PVC hose, as well as a light yet very resistant plastic lance, 16.5 inches long. It features RoyalCondor Classic trigger valve, shared by all our manual and electric sprayers. The valve's safety lock provides 3 options. First, to perform intermittent spraying. Secondly, to maintain continuous flow of spray. And lastly, it allows to completely lock the system and avoid spillage. Finally, for easy wear across the body, it features an adjustable strap. Designed to evenly distribute up to 100 pounds of weight, it has proven comfortable during long hours of operation. We'd like to emphasize that RoyalCondor Handy sprayer has a cone nozzle that discharges 470 cubic centimeters per minute. Has a universal port nozzle that can be used with any sprayer depending on your needs. RoyalCondor Handy is a great value. Don't forget to read the user's manual before your first spraying job.
And 2 years warranty.
RoyalCondor, always with you.